QUOC is the exclusive company that fully owns and masters no-line edge banding technology. Combine Arc 12 is not simply an acrylic or PTG edge banding machine as the market often describes, but a complete no-line edge banding solution researched and optimized by QUOC. QUOC's proprietary no-line technology uses a dedicated adhesive to create a thin, transparent, and moisture-resistant bond with no visible glue line. More importantly, the technology can be fine-tuned to match different materials, product structures, and production workflows, instead of being locked into a rigid standard machine format like conventional mechanically adjusted no-line machines. The machine is optimized for PTG and acrylic materials, which are becoming a key trend in modern interior design. Its stable arc edge banding capability, combined with precise glue control and uniform belt pressing, delivers a seamless, high-gloss, premium finish while reducing processing time and defect rates. Combine Arc 12 supports two working modes, 90 degrees straight edge banding and 45-degree bevel edge banding, easily switched via the touchscreen with a single touch. Straight and 45-degree edge chamfering systems prepare the panel surface accurately before gluing, ensuring consistent bonding quality. The machine is equipped with complete finishing units, including top and bottom trimming, glue scraping, corner rounding, and polishing. These features allow finished edges to achieve true no-line aesthetics, clean, seamless, and ready without manual rework. A PLC-based digital control system combined with an HMI touchscreen provides stable operation, easy monitoring, and flexible control. Compared to traditional push-button machines, this system offers higher precision and reliability. In terms of investment efficiency, Combine Arc 12 helps manufacturers reduce costs by approximately 30 to 40% compared to similar no-line technology solutions on the market, while maintaining high bonding quality and finishing performance. QUOC delivers more than a machine, offering a complete no-line edge banding solution, from installation and technology transfer to maintenance and professional technical support. Combine Arc 12 is designed for manufacturers aiming to implement true no-line standards, adopt new material trends, and optimize their investment. Contact QUOC to invest in the right technology and take control of the no-line trend.